What are some of those signs that we need to watch for?
Well, I think first women need to know what even makes them at risk for heart disease. Okay, and I think that's really a super important thing to know if there were women in your family or men in your family that had heart attacks and had heart attacks before the age of 65, because that makes you a little higher risk. To know whether you have diabetes or not. And the only way you're going to know that is to go to the doctor and get it checked. It's not something that gives a lot of signs or symptoms. High blood pressure is another risk factor, and again, you only know that if you get it checked. Smoking is a huge risk factor, so if you smoke, especially if you have heart disease in your family, that's kind of like playing Russian roulette with your life. And obesity has a huge risk factor to it because a lot of all the other things go with it. And then knowing your cholesterol and your lipids, again, you don't know that, you aren't going to be able to just tell by looking at your skin if your cholesterol is high. You need to get blood tests.